In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Cash App to Shopify. This is an invaluable process for anyone running an online store who wants to provide more flexible payment options for their customers. Integrating Cash App with Shopify will allow you to manage transactions seamlessly and cater to a broader audience, which can ultimately drive more sales and improve customer satisfaction. To get started, open your Shopify account and navigate to your admin panel. From here, you'll want to click on Settings, which you can find at the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the Payments option, which allows you to decide which payment options you want to offer to your customers. In the Payments section, scroll down to find Alternative Payment Methods. Shopify gives you a variety of alternative payment methods you can choose from. Here, you need to click on Choose Alternative Payment and search for Cash App or Square, since Cash App is a product of Square, and this integration will occur through Square's payment gateway. Next, you'll need to follow the instructions for setting up Square as your payment gateway. It's usually a straightforward process. First, it'll prompt you to log into your Square account. If you don't have a Square account yet, it's simple to create one by visiting their website. Ensure that your Square account is connected to the same bank account you plan to use for Cash App transactions. Once logged in, you'll be guided through the configuration process. Just follow the prompts to complete the setup. Now, let's test the connection to make sure everything is working smoothly. Head back to your Shopify store and try processing a test transaction using Cash App. It's important to double-check everything before you start accepting real orders. You'll want to make sure the checkout process is smooth and confirming whether or not the funds are being correctly directed to your linked bank account. Not only is this testing step important for assurance that the pathway functions effectively, but it can also provide a platform to identify any areas where customers might get confused. The easier you make it for your customers to complete a purchase, the more likely they'll follow through. Once you've verified that the integration is working without any hitches, you can begin offering Cash App as a payment method for your customers on Shopify. Ensure to notify your customers via an email campaign or store announcement so that they're aware of this new convenient payment option. As you continue to operate, regularly monitor your transactions from both your Shopify dashboard and your Square account to ensure everything runs smoothly. And don't forget to stay updated on any new features or updates from both Shopify and Cash App that might enhance your transactions further. By offering Cash App as part of your payment solutions, you're enabling convenience and variety, two elements that contribute greatly to customer satisfaction and store credibility. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy selling.